everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 10th to the 14th of April 2023 on Monday. Mpho doesn't mind tricking his woman as he believes it's for her own good. Bele's revelation leaves Pitso reeling in horror. Ayanda overhears something which leaves her shaken to her core on Tuesday. Has Mazwi pushed the kidnapper too far? Nkosiyabo worries about his woman's state of mind. The Rocky Corp confirms Zanele's worst suspicions on Wednesday. Paul finds a gap and tries to escape. As Sangoma's warnings leaves a determined policeman shaken and unsure. Anati is starting to smell a rat on Thursday. Kabisi has a surprising suggestion about who should bear the Moroka aim. Nontle and Zikona unwittingly give too much away. Dr. Langa visits the Moroka, prompt them to enlist the Diala's help on Friday. Spare has faith in her ex even though he doesn't. Nkosiyabo is worried when Bele wants to challenge the power that be. Figile falls for a biz manipulation. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.